Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor grills that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or a great all-around performer, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill. This is a budget-friendly option that stands out for its smokeless design, making it perfect for apartments or smaller kitchens where ventilation might be a concern. It features a water tray that cools grease to prevent smoke, and its adjustable temperature knob allows you to customize the heat for different types of food, from veggies to steaks. Plus, it has a large cooking surface, so you can prepare multiple items at once. The design is simple yet functional, with a non-stick cooking surface that ensures food slides off effortlessly. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to its dishwasher-safe removable water tray and grill top. However, the overall build feels slightly more lightweight compared to higher-end models, which might impact durability over time. In terms of performance, while it doesn't reach the high searing temperatures of some competitors, it does a decent job for everyday grilling tasks. The Chefman Electric Grill is ideal for those who prioritize affordability and smokeless operation. While it's not the most robust or feature-packed option, it offers great value for its price. The biggest cons are its lower wattage and lack of advanced features, but for $39.99, it's a solid entry-level choice for casual grillers. At number 4, we have the George Foreman 4-serving removable plate electric grill. This is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $33.99. And it's a classic choice for anyone looking to enjoy quick and easy grilling. Its standout feature is the advanced George Tough nonstick coating, which is 3 times more durable than its previous iterations. This means you don't need to use butter or oil, making it a healthier option. The design is compact, making it a great fit for small kitchens or dorm rooms. It heats up 35% faster than older George Foreman models, so you can whip up meals in no time. The removable plates are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup incredibly easy. However, its small size means it's better suited for individuals or couples rather than larger families. Also, it only has a single temperature setting, which limits its versatility. If you're looking for a no-frills, budget-friendly indoor grill that's easy to use and clean, this George Foreman model is a great choice. It's perfect for quick meals like sandwiches, burgers, or grilled vegetables. Just keep in mind its limitations in size and temperature control. Taking the number 3 spot is the George Foreman Fully Submersible Grill. This model builds on the classic George Foreman design, but adds a unique feature. The entire grill is dishwasher safe. Simply remove the control panel, and you can wash the entire unit for unparalleled convenience. It also features a 30% faster preheat time and a 3 times more durable non-stick coating than earlier models, making it a quick and reliable choice for busy households. The compact design is perfect for saving counter space, and it can handle up to 4 servings, making it suitable for small families. The adjustable hinge is a nice touch, allowing you to grill thicker foods like paninis or chicken breasts evenly. However, the 188.4-watt power output is on the lower side, which means it may not reach the high searing temperatures needed for steak lovers. Overall, this grill offers excellent value for those who prioritize easy cleanup and compact storage. It's best suited for small households or people who want a hassle-free grilling experience. The main downsides are its relatively low power and small cooking capacity. But for $46.74, the convenience of full submersibility is hard to beat. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. This grill is perfect for those who want the flavor of outdoor grilling year-round. It can reach a searing temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in juices and giving you that perfect grill mark. The 118-square-inch cooking surface can handle up to 6 servings, making it a great option for families. One of the standout features is its viewing window, which allows you to monitor your food without losing heat. The non-stick, PFAS-free grill plate is removable and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. There's also an extra-large drip tray to catch grease, which helps reduce mess. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, modern look, but at 8.14 pounds, it's a bit bulky, so you'll need a dedicated spot for it in your kitchen. Priced at $100.95, this Hamilton Beach grill is a bit of an investment, but it delivers excellent performance and versatility. The adjustable temperature control makes it easy to cook everything from delicate seafood to hearty steaks. The only real downside is the size, which might be too large for smaller kitchens. But if you have the space, it's a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill, and for good reason. This is a premium model that offers exceptional versatility and high-performance grilling. It features interchangeable grill and griddle plates, allowing you to cook everything from char-grilled steaks to pancakes. With a maximum temperature of 500 Fahrenheit, it's perfect for high-heat searing, and its even edge-to-edge cooking ensures consistent results every time. The design is as functional as it is sleek, with a perforated mesh lid to control smoke and splatter. The 14-inch cooking surface is family-sized, accommodating up to 6 servings. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe components. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $149.95, the build quality and advanced features justify the price. This Ninja Grill is ideal for serious home cooks who want the best of the best. Whether you're grilling burgers, searing salmon, or whipping up breakfast on the griddle, it delivers top-tier performance. The only downside is the price, but if you're looking for a premium indoor grill, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the top 5 indoor grills. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which grill you're planning to get, or if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.